Aldi time, y'all. Hopefully they're not too busy. It's a little later than we normally come, so hope it's not too busy. Aldi finds, here we come. Oh yeah, they have pretty mums too. Potato sticks. I think one of y'all told me about these potato sticks. Pumpernickel bread. Chicken cheese enchilada style soup. So not a lot of new food finds. Let's check down here. Oh, he found Hot Wheels. They have some of the mess-free marker things up there for $3.99. I saw this. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner and blower for your car or house, but oh, they got lots of different colors. Pink, white, green, and gray. Little booties. They have black, tan, and I think some kind of green color I saw in the ad. I thought I saw some car mats, like a whole thing to put in the back of your car, but I'm just seeing these. These pumpkin candle holders are $14.99. Let's set the candle right there. They've got gold or black. Looks like that's the only two. And then this framed art, they're $9.99. They have these sling bags. This one's cute. I like the strap on that one. They're pretty small. They're a lot smaller than I thought they would be when I looked at them in the ad, but they're cute. Got the brown, black, and then this dark green color. And they are, I don't see the tag here, but I'm pretty sure they were either 10 or 15. These throw blankets are really soft. They're $14.99. They have all these colors here and those colors. They've got some puck lights. These are big ones. Some of the medium-sized tote bags, they are $19.99. The white ones have a football on them. They've got some shackets, black and white, and then they have the purple colored ones there. And they have some men's flannel shirt jackets. They got some different pillows this week. Those are cute. Looks like a sweater. They're $12.99. Pumpkins are only $3.95, the big pumpkins. Honeycrisp apple totes are $1.49 a pound. I think I'll go with Cosmic Crisp. They've got some Panera soups here. Broccoli cheddar and baked potato. Pretzel bites with cheese or mustard dip. Yeah, they haven't been having the cheese fries. They've got some of these chocolate or caramel mousse cups. These things are new. They have a Sloppy Joe mix. I think I've seen that before, but it says new. Sloppy Joe sauce, chunky chicken pot pie soup, and gourmet soups. They have hearty vegetable, Southwest style, tomato, black bean, Hawaiian stuffing mix. Classic herbs and spices made with Hawaiian bread. And they have some new pepperonis here, Sam's thick cut. I actually think I've gotten these before though, so I'm not sure why they say new. Maybe it's a different size of them or something. Macaroni and cheese, tomato and mozzarella, and pesto. Those are new. Do they have the hot sausage? Most of the time they don't. No, they just got regular. So they have some new creamers here. Oh, I see peppermint mocha back there, way back there. I don't know what this one was. Next stop, Dollar General. Christmas has arrived. Oh yeah, those are cute. Yeah. These used to be $1. They're $2 now, but still cute. They have some really pretty stuff this year. If you're ready for it, they've got it. Look at Rudolph.
Look at Santa.
I see him. Oh, that is adorable. What's the scent? Evergreen icicle. I found it. I found some fall things. There are a few fall things left over here. That's pretty. Oh, they have this little pumpkin patch wagon. That's cute. And the squirrel. I like these. Pumpkin pie. And they, oh yeah, and apple pie. How much are these? These are only $1. Fall socks. That's cute. These glass jars are pretty.
He opened the gate for you. He's not that hard though. He's just smart. He's like Mr. Ed.
Welcome to the next day. Suddenly, fall has definitely arrived. It's sweater weather, time to pull them out for today anyway. It's windy and in the low 60s. We had to come and run some errands in a different town, and in this town, there's an Ollie's bargain outlet. So we're gonna run in here this afternoon and see what they've got. There he is. Hey look, here's Curious George. They have great prices on books at Ollie's. How the Grinch Lost Christmas. Didn't we got this book last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
But I don't remember where we got it from. It's only $4.99 here.
Easter.
Let me see if they have a book right here that Jonah might like. Hey, they've got Little House on the Prairie over here, Cece. It's a 7-book set for only $19.99.
I'll totally get this. Mama, press this little thing right here.
That's neat. It's only $4.99.
Why don't we wait?
Okay. They also have cookbooks. Wonderful prices. This is only $3.99. Fall baking. It's always freezer season. 100 make-ahead recipes. This is $6.99. Tasty Total Comfort Cozy Recipes with a Modern Touch. $3.99. Lots of cake decorating things here. Yeah. That's a good price, $1.49. They've got some nice pots and pans. Some with the wood handle. Oh, that blue one's pretty. That's really pretty. I don't know how much it is. It doesn't have a tag. Lots of different shaped cutting boards right here. Oh, that one's pretty. With that design on it. Not a lot of fall stuff, but Christmas everywhere. Ollie's has really cute Christmas stuff. Like this little snowman sign. $9.99. And these Christmas trees are cute, $5.99 for the single ones, $14.99 for the ones with 3. $14.99 for this light up. Oh, that's pretty. This Let It Snow sign, I'm gonna guess 15 for this too. Yep, $14.99. These big ornaments slide up. Original price on this, $79.99. Ollie's price, $19.99. Oh, that's cute.
There's lots. There's
okay, let's go look at that. Sissy found some fall stuff. Those are cute.
But there's only one of them left.
Oh, this guy's missing a leg though. You need to be free. How much is they? $7.99. I mean, he's missing his whole leg. This one's missing an eye. Oh yeah, there's the one with the correct number of eyes. Welcome pumpkin season. That's cute. $12.99, $3.99. That's pretty. Welcome to our home back there. Fall arrived like overnight. It's sweater weather. So yeah, you can find some really good stuff in there, but you really gotta look at it because, you know, sometimes things might be missing eyes or legs or, you know, something. And make sure you check the food too, because it can be very close to expiration date, but sometimes it's like 6 months until the expiration date, or Best Buy, you know. Yeah. I got a pumpkin caramelicious iced coffee from Scooters on our way down here today. I get an extra shot of espresso in it, no whipped cream. It's great. Alright y'all, we're back home. We're about to do something fun. So yesterday at Dollar General, I got this. And I thought it would be fun to make this pumpkin pie recipe. So it's a pie day preview. Now, many years ago, we got a kitchen towel from the Dollar General and it had a recipe on it. I think they had like 2 or 3 different kinds. We got the banana pudding one. If I remember right, it was banana pudding. It's been many years ago. And that recipe had some issues, but it's fun to see how this will actually turn out. This one is for homemade pumpkin pie, and the recipe looks basic, you know, it looks like it'll work. We're gonna find out. So we need a bowl. It says we need 1 can of pumpkin. It doesn't say the size, of course, so we're just gonna go with 1 can of pumpkin, the 15-ounce can. And it says 1 can of evaporated milk. This is your average size can, so we're gonna go with that. Okay, let me grab an apron. So I got the oven preheating to 425. It says bake in a 425-degree oven for 15 minutes. And then turned the temperature down to 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. So this pie takes a little over an hour to bake. My can opener is not wanting to open this evaporated milk. Let me flip it over. Okay, so we're putting in the can of pumpkin. Now this one is not on the list for pie day, but if it turns out wonderful, we might add it to the list. You never know. So far, Sissy made a pumpkin pie, you know, back for...
The fashion hall.
Yeah, I can't remember. Was it what was it? Was it homecoming? I think it was homecoming. I can't remember. Anyway, it was the Libby's canned pumpkin pie mix, pumpkin pie recipe. So far, that's my favorite pumpkin pie. And we've made a lot of them. Now it says we need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. All right, we need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I just got salt everywhere. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. And 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Whisk all that in. One can pumpkin, 1 can evaporated milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon cloves, and 2 eggs. Are we ready yet? Yep, oven is ready. We're going in for 15 minutes. Then we'll cut the heat down to 350 for 40 to 50 more minutes. Dollar General pumpkin pie. Let's see how it is. It's really good. Yeah, I would make this pumpkin pie again. I can't stop eating it. It works.
See how tomorrow.